Okay, this is our question. X plus 2y equal to 7 and 2x plus y equal to 8. First, we have to convert this to an argumented matrix. So the argumented matrix should be like this. X is 1, 2y equal to 2, and then 2x, 2y is 1. And then x and y, then this is 7 and 8. After this, we have to convert this to 0. So the formula is row number 2 equal to row number 1 times with negative 2 and then plus with row number 2. We have to apply this equation to the row number 2. We all think the 3 element this. So column 1 is row 1 is 1 times negative 2 plus with row 2. So the answer is 0. Column number 2 is row 1 2 times with negative 2 and then plus with number row 2. So it's 1. The answer is negative 3. And then column 3, row 1 which is 7 times with negative 2 plus with 8. So the answer is negative 6. After this, we remain this and then use our new answer which is 0, negative 3, x and y remain, and then we use this and this is our new answer. Then we have to convert this to 1. So the formula is R2 equal to R2 divided by negative 3. Same as before, column 1, 0 divided by negative 3 is 0. Column 2, negative 3 divided by negative 3 is 1. And then column 3, negative 6 divided by negative 3 is 2. Then we have to write with our new answer 1 2 0 1, and then this is xy, and then this is 7 and this is 2. After this, we have to convert this to 0. The formula is R1 equal to R2 times with negative 2 plus R1. So the column 1, 0 times negative 2 plus 1 equal to 1. Column 2, 1 times negative 2 plus 2 is 0. And then column 3, R2 is number 2 and then times with negative 2 plus with 7, which is row 1, and then we can get the answer 3. So this is our new answer 1 0 xy, and then this is 3, and then we have to use this answer 0 1, and this is 2. So the answer is x equal to 3, y equal to 2.
Now I am doing the elementary row operation. It's called ERO for 3 times 3. So here the equation, so I convert into the ER matrix form. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, negative 2, 3, 1 and 2, and x, y, z equal to 7, 4, 10. So for the ERO form, as we know, the ERO form is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1. So I need to change this element to this element. So let's go. So for the first row, there are column 1, column 2, column 3, row 1, row 2 and row 3. So for the row 1, column 1 is 1, so we no need to exchange it to the 1. So I just proceed it with row 2. So for the row 2, I use R1 times with negative 2 plus with row 2. So when I sub the value into this formula, so I can get the value become the 0. So 1, 2, negative 2. So for the row 2 is the same. Negative 5. 5. So for same, so it becomes negative 10. I solve the row 2, so I move to row 3. For the row 3, I use also the same R1 multiple with negative 3 plus R3. So 1, 0. So when I replace this value into this formula, so I get 0. So for this I get 4, this negative 7. So for this I get negative 11. So other also same, so I just rewrite it. So now I already settle column 1, so I move to column 2. So for column 2, we need to change the row, change to middle one first, so it's row 2 and column 2. So for here I use the multiple formula, so use R2 multiple with 1 over 5, so it can become 1, so like this. So for this 1, 0, 0. So when I sub the value, this row into this formula, so I get 1, negative 1, it's negative 2. So other also same. So after I solve this row 2, so I can choose either I want to choose row 1 or row 3. So for me, I choose row 3 to continue to proceed it. So for row 3, I also use the same formula. So I use row, but now I use the row 2. Here it is because it's 1. So I use it R2 multiple with negative 2. So it can become 0 plus with R3. 1, 0, 0, 2, 1 and 0. So here is negative 3, negative 1 and 3. So after I do this, I move to row 1 for the column 2. Same, I use this formula, so I use R2 multiple with positive 2 because here is negative. So after I multiple it and plus with this row 2 row 1 column 2, it can become 0. 1. 0, 0, 0, 1. So I move to the top. So for the row number, so for the column 3, we can see here is 1. So we need to change this value become 1. So for the first we need to so this row 3 row 3 and column 3 become 1 first. So for here we just multiple it with R3 multiple with negative 1 over 3. So because of here is no negative, so we need to make the negative disappear. So I just multiple with negative, so it can become positive. So 1 0 0 0 1 1. So because of multiples, so I just multiple with row 3 only, so other also same. So after I solve this, I can choose either what I want to continue with R1 or R2. For me, I choose R2 first, so I use this formula again. For this I use R3 multiple with 1 plus 2. So 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 1. So 3 negative 1 1. So lastly is come to the last one. So same, I use 3 is positive, so I multiple with negative 1 plus 1. So 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So 2 negative 1 1. So my value of my x is negative is 2, my y is negative 1, and for my z value is 1.